Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Candy brand 7 kg top front loader washing machine. This one we are not able to open the door. That's mean it is having problem with the door switch, door lock, sometime hinges. So we have to resolve the issue as soon as possible because I have to hand over to the customer this machine very urgently. Now I'm going to repair this machine. I will show you how to, first of all I will show you how to open the lock door, and after that how to replace the door handle if it is broken, otherwise how to repair this machine. We will go to the next step. The door already locked, we cannot open this handle. Something problem, it is I'm thinking it is internally broken. Because of that we are not able to open this one. Now I will show you how to open this lock, door lock, otherwise broken handle, how to open the door. After that I will show you how to replace the door switch, door handle also. Now I'm going to remove the back of the top cover. Back of the 3 screws are here. After removing this screws, we can remove like that. We can take like that. This one you can see here. This is lock. Actually it's very careful, we have to remove this lock. It will come here. We have to, after removing back of the 3 screws, you have to lift up and pull it out. It will come like that. You can see here. Here also lock. Here 2 locks are coming. Here it's coming like that. It is very easy. After, see, it's lift up little bit and pull out. After that it will come. Now I'm going to show you how to open the door switch, and we will remove here. You can see here. Now I remove this here. This one I already removed. The top side one is already broken, but it's nothing happened. No problem. After that what we can do, now I'm going to open the door. Now you can see here. This is this one we have to use the flat screwdriver. It is easy for us. Now you can see here. This is door, the lock here. This one metal piece. Now we have to push forward. After that it will come very easily. Now see. Now it is door already open. See, you can see here. Now again I will lock the door. Now see, it is again locked. Now again I have to push this one. Now it is very easy. You can. Now it is door already open. Now if you want to check again, now again I lock the door. This one not moving now. We cannot open. Now again I will push here. Now you can see door, it will, you can see it's very easy. This is the way. If it is a door handle broken, you are not open the door, you are not able to open the door, you couldn't open the door, you have to do the same way. After that I will show you how to, what is the problem exactly we have to remove here. After that only we can understand. I'm going to open the door. Here all the screws, this is Helanga type, we have to open all the screws. After that door will come out. Now we have to keep something balanced while we are removing all the nuts, screws. This glass will fall down because of that. Now I'm keeping top of my leg. It's like that. After that you can open all the screw. It's like that. Now we can remove also here. It's like that. We can take it out. It's very easy. Now all the screw we have to remove here. Now I remove all the screws. Now I can take it like that. Just there. Now I already remove all the screws also from the door panel, door frame. Now I can identify here. It is localized, no broken door handle. You can see, dear friends, it is the problem. It is no actually door handle not broken. This problem only the spring already gone. It's not tension here. Now I will show you how to open that one. No need to open also, but I will show you how to open and refix. If it is, it's you have to keep downside this door lock. It will come out. It will fall down because of that. While you are going to remove it, you have to keep downside your hand. If it is top of the table, no issue. But I'm not top of the table. Now we can take it out here. This part will come out. Just like that. You can see here. Now we have to fix this one properly. After that, our problem will get resolved. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this one. Handle not broken. You can see here. It is handle is okay. No any issue. Problem with the spin tension. It is gone. Now while you are going to fix the door handle, door switch, if it is changing, replacing door handle, it should come. This spin tension is coming like that here. After that, it will come here. Like that it should come. Now I'm going to fix this one. This lock come inside like this. After that this part will go inside through the screw. Just like that. Same position I have to fix here. Now I will remove again. This is little bit complicated job actually. We have to think about that. That's it. Now okay. Now I have to fix this one. Now you can see here. This spin tension it should come outside. Because of that, I have to enter here. It's like that. Now it's okay. Now you can see here properly. Now it's okay. Now you can see this is the position actually. Now this spring should come here. Now it's coming like that. You can see here. Now it's okay. Now one side is okay, other side also remaining. Other side also I have to take it as same. Now this is the way actually. Again I have to slowly we have to take it here until now it's okay. Now you can see here door lock is already tension. Now we can fix the door switch. Now we can fix the door. Before fixing, now we have to check the door lock here. Now you can see here, dear my friends, this door lock not break because I remove only the cover only. Now I will, if you need, you can fix also again. Now I'm going to fix that cover also. This door lock, no any issue, we can fix again. This is the cover. This one I removed. I have to fix again. Yes, it's like that we have to fix. That's mean nothing to worry. Door lock already we can use. Now I'm going to fix the door. Now door handle I fix properly. Now spring tension already here, no problem. You can see. Now I can fix the door frame also here. Now it's like that, it will come. I have to turn it. First of all, we will fix here this side screws, because I have to fix with the door hinge. Because of that, I'm not going to fix other side. Now only I'm going to fix this 4 screws only. Now I'm going to tight these 2 screws properly. Now you can see here, spring already, it's door lock tension already here. Before it's not like that, because of that only we couldn't open the door. Door with the door hinge. Now this way you can see here properly. Like that we can fix. Now I have to fix the screws all here. Now okay. Now you can see, dear my friends. Now I can open the close. Now door locking properly. You can see here. Now I will give the power and we will check once after giving power we can check it is whether door lock opening or not. Yes, it is okay. We will give the power connection and we will check one cycle. We will check the direct spin cycle. I given power connection. Now I'm selecting here drain and spin cycle. We will start the machine. You can see, dear friends, it is door already locked here. Machine drain pump already start. Motor also start. Dear friends, now you can see here it is already door locked. Now what I'm going to do, I will shut down the machine. I will shut down the machine. Now we can check door lock will open or not. Here, dear, you can hear the noise. Now we can open the door. That's mean door lock, no problem. We can open, we can close, no problem. My job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.